analyze the entire production line in real time, pinpointing inefficiencies and eliminating waste. The result? A smoother, more cost-effective manufacturing process. And then there's the question of quality. High-quality PCBA test fixtures are crucial for ensuring the reliability of electronic devices, but achieving this quality consistently can be a challenge. Enter AI. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make precise predictions, AI ensures high quality and repeatability in every single fixture. And it does this while also keeping an eye on cost effectiveness. AI's potential doesn't stop there. With continuous learning and improvement, it's set to take the PCBA test fixture design and manufacturing industry to new heights. It's not just about making things better, it's about redefining what's possible. With AI, the future of PCBA test fixture design and manufacturing is not just possible, it's already here. So what does this AI-driven innovation bring to the table? Well, it's all about standardization, efficiency, and quality. With AI at the helm, we are seeing a new era of standardization in PCBA test fixture design and manufacturing. This technology is not only streamlining the process, but also reducing the margin of error significantly. Imagine a world where design inconsistencies and manufacturing defects are a thing of the past. That's what we're looking at with AI-powered standardization. It's revolutionizing the industry, enhancing quality assurance, and increasing productivity. Furthermore, AI brings with it a level of precision and consistency that is simply unattainable with traditional methods. It's reducing wastage, speeding up the production process, and most importantly, ensuring that every product that rolls off the production line meets the highest standards of quality and performance. In the world of PCBA test fixture design and manufacturing, AI isn't just an option, it's the future. And the future